In this video, I'll show you how to fix Fall Guys No Match Found. I'll walk you through the steps of how to troubleshoot and fix this issue so you can get back to playing the game. So you can get this for two main reasons. Number one is that there are not enough players in your region, and number two is that the servers are overloaded with players or that the servers might be down for maintenance. So in order to somewhat fix this issue, click on this show selector button over here, and then select all the shows available. And then go ahead and click on play, and that should fix your issue, and you will be able to find a match without any issues. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.
Oh,